If you've ever wondered how to align your sales and marketing efforts with actual buyer intent before your competitors do, then you are in the right place. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, the place where tech meets clarity. In today's video, we are diving into Bombora, the leading intent data software that helps businesses understand what their target accounts are actively researching online. So whether you're in B2B marketing, sales, or just looking to update your data-driven game, stick around and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our tech tutorials. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to visit the official website of Bombora. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. And if you wanted to have an access to the platform, you need to click the Request a Demo. From here, you will be forwarded to a new page. It's very simple. All you have to do is provide all the information needed so that if your request for the free trial access has been approved, one of the sales experts here in Bombora will contact you. But if in case your request for the free trial access has not been approved, and you still wanted to know more at Bombora, don't worry because we got you. We're going back to the main homepage, and as you can see, we can still learn more about the platform by going to all these sections. They offer the products, solutions, partners, resources, and company. We're gonna deal with the products first because they provide the intent. With Bombora, this is gonna be the core platforms, okay? Because it helps identify which companies are actively researching. Like specific topics online, this is based on data collection from a cooperative of B2B publishers. Because you can track over 11,000 topics across the web, you can use a proprietary company search to show how intensely a company is researching a topic. And of course, it helps prioritize leads and accounts who are in market for your products or services. For example, your sales or marketing team can focus on efforts on companies showing a spike in intent around cybersecurity software, like for instance, instead of the cold outreach. Okay, and then there's gonna be the identity and enrichment. With this, it helps you focus on matching and validating, plus enriching your customer and prospect data with firmographic and of course behavioral attributes. It matches anonymous web traffic to real companies, enriches CRM or MAP, which is also known as Marketing Automation Platform. It records with up-to-date company level intent signals. It fills in missing data like industry, size, location, and a lot more. Now, it improves your lead scoring and personalization by knowing more about who's engaging with your site or campaigns. And then there's going to be the digital audiences, allowing you to create and activate audience segments based on Bombora's intent signals for digital advertising. Because for one, you can build custom audiences based on intent topics, geography, industry, and a lot more. You can push audiences directly to DSPs or demand-side platforms and add platforms like LinkedIn or Google Ads. It supports both programmatic and account-based marketings like ABM strategies. For example, you can run display or video ad campaigns targeting companies actively researching topics relevant to your product. Let's not forget the planning and measurement suite, because this is Bombora's analytics and reporting toolset that gives you the ability to track of intent data on your marketing and sales activities. You can analyze topic trends and buyer journey insights, compare performance of intent-based or non-intent campaigns, measure how intent data contributes to pipeline and revenue, and of course, you can prove the ROI of your intent-driven campaigns and optimize your go-to-market strategy accordingly. Now, if you're going to go to the solutions, let me tell you right now that it gives you the sales intelligence and revenue acceleration. With this, it could help you identify high intent accounts early in the buyer journey, tailor outreach with insights into what each account is interested in, And of course, it accelerates pipeline velocity by focusing on prospects most likely to convert. And then let's not forget the demand identification and campaign optimization. Now, this is critical for marketers so that they can detect rising demand for specific topics, products, or services. It improves ROI by focusing marketing spend on in-market audiences. Then, there is the churn reduction and account expansion. Bombora can help customer success and account management teams because you can identify disengaged accounts showing reduced intent, and of course, you can expand existing relationships using real-time behavior insights. Let's not forget the agencies, wherein with this, it uses intent data to deliver more targeted campaigns and identify new business opportunities. And in terms of the publishers, here you can leverage Bombora's data to understand audience behavior, improve ad targeting and inventory value, and of course, you can package intent insights for advertisers as well as the sales, wherein you can focus on accounts showing how intent signals, craft customized pitches based on buyer interest, shorten sales cycles, and improve win rates. With that, we also have the marketing, wherein you can build more effective account-based marketing, tailor content to align with trending buyer interest, and of course, increase engagement and lead quality. If you wanted to know more about Bombora's overall platform, we might want to go to the resources, because we can simply go to the resource library. This is the central hub of all Bombora's educational and guided materials, alright? Like white papers, ebooks, videos. These resources help businesses understand how to use Bombora's intent data effectively for marketing, sales, and revenue growth. Of course, let's not forget the what is intent data. It explains the core concept of Bombora service. Alright, so it's perfect for newcomers who want a foundational understanding and the benefits of using intent data for targeting and engagement. And then there's going to be the case studies showing real-world success stories from companies that have used the platform. Each case studies highlight the client's challenge, how Bombora's data was used, and of course, it helps build trust by proving value through actual use cases. And then there are the blogs, which is my favorite here in Bombora because they offer articles, insights, and updates on industry trends, tips for using intent data, which is regularly updated to keep users informed and engaged. These are interactive readings that you can get absolutely free at no cost. And then there's going to be the events and webinars, which provides all the upcoming and past webinars where users can learn directly from Bombora experts. Where Bombora is participating or hosting sessions, it's useful for users who want live training, Q&A, or networking opportunities. And with that being said, and that wraps up our dive into Bombora. So if you're looking to reach the right people at the right time and back your strategy with actual buyer intent, Bombora is a solid pick. It's especially valuable for businesses that rely on account-based marketing or want to shorten their sales cycle using smarter outreach. From its rich resource library and educational case studies to real-time intent signals and seamless integrations, Bombora is clearly designed to empower B2B marketers and sales teams to make data-driven decisions with confidence. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on marketing and business tools just like this one. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.